In this lesson, we want to learn how to expand brackets. Now, the simplest form of brackets that we encounter in mathematics is of the form, say, 5x plus 5. As an example, to expand this, we use the distributive property. What we do is we distribute this 5 over every element in the bracket. So the first thing we do is to multiply 5 by x and then plus 5 by 5. This gives us 5x plus 25. So this is our answer. So this is example 1. Example 2, if we have 5 times x squared plus 4, we use the same approach. We distribute the 5 over every element in the bracket, and that is what we are going to be doing. That's it. We get 5 times x squared plus 5 times 4. This gives us 5x squared plus 20. Example 3. If we have 3x and this time 2 plus x, we use the same approach. 3x is distributed over every element in the bracket. 3x times 2 plus. I use plus because the sign here is plus. 3x times x. This gives us 6x. 6x is obtained from multiplying 3 and 2 plus 3x squared. Let's take another example. And the fourth example, 2x x squared plus 4y. And this, we do the same thing. We multiply 2x by x squared plus 2x by 4y. We then get 2x because this x has an exponent of 1 and this is 2. We get 3 plus 2x times 4 would give us 8xy. So this is our answer. Before I introduce the second set of examples, I'd like to explain this acronym. The acronym FOIL reminds us of which terms in the bracket we have to multiply at any point in time. F means first, O is outside, I is inside, and L is last. Let me explain with an example. Expand x plus 2 and x plus 5. To do this, let's write the question again. X plus 2 and x plus 5. First, multiply the first items, and that is x and x. Second, multiply x and 5. Thirdly, we multiply the inner terms, 2 and x. We multiply 2 and x. And lastly, multiply 2 and 5. This gives us x squared, or x, gives us x times x plus x times 5 plus 2, the inner terms, 2 times x plus 2 times 5. This gives us x times x is x squared plus 5 times x will give us 5x plus 2 times x will give us 2x plus 2 times 5 is 10. Now we group like terms. We have x squared 5x plus 2x are like terms, so we add them to get 7x plus 10. This is our answer. If we are given to expand 3x plus 3 and x minus 2. We use the same approach, FOIL. First, we multiply this term and that. Second, we multiply this term and that. Thirdly, we come to the inner term and multiply the last term. This gives us x multiplied by x plus x multiplying minus 2 plus 3 multiplying x plus 3 multiplying minus 2. We obtain x squared plus, let me put this in brackets, minus 2x plus 3x plus minus 6. We now collect like terms. We get x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. When we simplify this, we get x squared plus x minus 2x plus 3x will give us x minus 6. This is the approach to expand the bracket. A second method to expand the bracket is given by method 2. So I write here method 2 and I'll do the same examples. Expand x plus 2 and x plus 5. In this method, we use a table and I'll draw my table this way. I have a table of this form. What I'm doing is I'm multiplying x plus 2 and x plus 5. So what I do is to multiply these two items. When I do that, what do I get? X and x will give me x squared. X and 2 would also give me 2x. Now I multiply 5 and x. So 5 times x will give me 5x and 5 times 2 will give me 10. Now after doing this, I add what is in this bracket. I add them. I get x squared plus 2x plus this term 5x plus 10. The same way I group like terms. Get x squared plus 7x plus 10. And this is the same result we got for the first method. I take the second example. Example 2, we did expand x plus 3 and x minus 2. Using the same approach, I draw my table and put the first item in there. Sorry, I'm not drawing to scale. I'm multiplying. So I have x plus 3 and x, and I have minus 2. The same way, I multiply x, this x, by x, and I get x squared. X by 3, I also get 3x minus 2 times x will give me minus 2x. And lastly, minus 2 times 3 will give me minus 6. After this, I add everything in pink in this box. So everything in this box, I add. Get x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. I group like terms. X squared, 3x minus 2x is plus x. And the last term is minus 6. This is the same result we got in the first method. So these two approaches can be used to expand the bracket. Now I put an example for you to try, and you can pause the video, try these examples, pause the video and see if you would get the answers. I'll put the answers down soon. Okay, so the answers for A would be x squared minus x minus 2. That is the answer for A. And B, the answer is x squared plus 13x plus 40. I hope you got the answers correct.